Aim high, reach for the stars. Understanding, shoot for the moon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an inspirational phrase that you might have heard before. Shoot for the moon. This expression is not only popular in English-speaking cultures but also serves as a powerful metaphor for setting high goals. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to boost your motivation and aspirations. Shoot for the moon is an idiomatic expression that encourages people to set ambitious goals. The idea is that even if you miss reaching the moon, you'll end up among the stars. It's a metaphorical way of saying that aiming for high goals, even if they seem unattainable, can lead to great achievements. This phrase emphasizes the value of ambition and striving for excellence. The phrase, shoot for the moon, has been attributed to various sources over the years, but it's often associated with inspirational speeches and writings. It captures the human spirit of exploration and the desire to achieve the impossible. The metaphor of reaching the moon resonates with the monumental achievement of the moon landing in 1969, symbolizing human capability and determination. In everyday conversation, shoot for the moon can be used to encourage others or to express personal ambition. For example, if someone is hesitant to apply for a dream job because they think it's out of their reach, you might say, "You should definitely apply. Shoot for the moon, and even if you miss, you'll land among the stars." It's a way to inspire confidence and bravery in facing challenges. This expression has found its way into books, movies, and songs, often used to inspire characters or audiences to pursue their dreams relentlessly. It serves as a reminder that no dream is too big and that the pursuit of greatness starts with setting bold aspirations. Shoot for the moon is more than just an idiomatic expression. It's a guiding principle for life. It teaches us the importance of aiming high and not being afraid to fail, because in striving for something great, we achieve growth and progress. We hope this video inspires you to set your own ambitious goals and pursue them with all your heart. Remember, the sky's the limit, so aim high and dream big. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.